Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to EFI Investment Fund. This is George, and this is an emergency broadcast. Listen, this is very interesting. What happened last night? There's three things that we going through. First thing is the hash power been going down for the last 3 days, so I know that we were gonna take a dump. One of the reasons the hash power went all the way down is because a province in China had um, a blackout, and it dumped uh, the cryptocurrency markets. Now this is very alarming because the China is holding a lot of power in Bitcoin. That's very alarming. We can't have one country just have all the hash power. It's not fair. So I think that the U.S. has an opportunity here to get into Bitcoin mining and get it going. I mean, I'm going to talk to MGTI. I'm going to be talking to Roger Ver. I'm going to be talking to McAfee's in jail, but they need to get going with these mining rigs. They got in Colorado, they got in Virginia. They need to get going and get us up and running. The U.S. need to get running with Bitcoin. This is inevitable. We have to go. We have to go. We can't have China have the whole cryptocurrency market. They could just press a button and Bitcoin will go down. That's alarming to me. Another alarming thing for me is that Jerome Powell from the Treasury, um, is charging three cryptocurrency exchanges for money laundering. This is very alarming too, because you know the reason I think they're getting charged is because, well, one of the reasons is because the dollar's going down. The dollar been going down, and the U.S. needs to protect the dollar because the reserve currency. Oh, it's so much things going on in the world. It's unbelievable. But the U.S. got to protect the dollar, so they're gonna do what they have to do to bring the dollar back into play because Bitcoin is taking a lot of that play. That's another thing that's concerning to me, and this is one of the reasons we took a dump today on Bitcoin. And we're gonna go here, and I'm gonna show you. We're gonna trade this Bitcoin for USDT because I want to get into some cryptocurrency futures. And this is Bitcoin USD. Let's go here. It's been going down, so I'm gonna go sell a little bit at market price. Let me sell a little bit Bitcoin at market price. Let me get 100%. Sell my Bitcoins, and let's go to the futures. Now I'm up a little bit on Doge. I picked it up a little bit at the bottom. It's coming back down. I got a little bit of Bitcoin here, but I had, I got liquidated hard last night, and it's fine. I wasn't in all the way. Plus, I already took some profits, so I'm happy. But this is very, very important, guys. This is very important to the Bitcoin network. This is very important to our financial well-being. And listen, we, I don't with the banks buying all these Bitcoins now. I think this dump was a blessing. I think that they are gonna pick this up. I think the bull market is still in play. I would tell you that the bull market will probably end sometime in the near future, about, I could say, November. But this is not financial advice. I'm just thinking of the way I'm gonna be trading this market from now on. But with this alarming situation with China, with the U.S. Treasury, and so on, we're gonna have to kick it up a gear. Now, there's another thing that just happened recently. China is backing their yuan, their currency, their local currency, and they're gonna be backing it up with gold. There was about 200 tons of gold, I believe, getting to China. You know, I have to do more research on it, but this is alarming also to me because the U.S. dollar is not backed by gold, and now China is gonna get their dollars backed by gold. This is very, very alarming to me. And now I think the U.S. is the country to be in, but they're doing this wrong. I mean, why are they going to charge these cryptocurrency markets? Yeah, money laundering, fine, but don't castigate them for doing something that J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and all of them be doing. I mean, the dollar is the reserve currency. You don't think there's no money laundering going on with the dollar, with the U.S. dollar? Of course there is. It's just not recorded in the ledger. But that's here or there. I'm just came to this emergency broadcast to the club because I know it's alarming that we took a dump like that while we being in we have positions in currency in cryptocurrency. So don't be alarmed. I think we still got a long way to go. Buy the dip, like I always been saying. I've been buying the dip ever since 3,800. The club been doing fine. I'm playing a little risky with futures, in which I got liquidated last night. But listen, this is part of doing business. I'm not upset. I just got to get back in and get my couple of dollars back up. Now, I changed I some Bitcoin for USDT, and I wanted to get into some Bitcoin Cash because that one took a dump, a little heavier, and it's still going down. So I think this is the 5 minute chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Let's see what the hell's going on with. Okay, so we're still in a bull run. We're still strong. The volume is there on Bitcoin Cash. I mean, Roger Ver, man. If you ever listen to this podcast, please, please get mining going. Anybody who wants to get mining going in the U.S., please email me at IFA Investment Fund. Give me a shout out on YouTube. Give me a shout out on Crypto Jungle on Twitter. Please, let's get this mining going in the U.S. Let's take some power from China. China is having a lot of power. Listen, I'm happy for the Chinese people. They are doing well. I hope they do well. But the policies are not there. The policies are not there. If this is a competition between the China government versus the U.S. government, then let it be a competition. Let's compete. But let's compete for hash power because you can't have all the hash power in China. It's not fair. It's not fair. Well, anyways, that's my rant for today. Let's get some. Okay, so we're going down. I'm not. Let's put a stop loss on all this because I'm being more careful now. This is Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is. It's at 55. Let me see where it is. All right, Bitcoin is coming back down. Bitcoin's coming back down. So, I don't want it to hit the 200 moving average. The volume bar is red. Okay, 54.8. $54.8. Okay. Alright, so I'm at the 200 moving average. Hopefully, if it stays above it, we'll get out. Let's get on some Doge. I'm in on some Doge. Doge we got in at 31.1. Let's put 30. It's at 38. Let's go 30 even. Let's see where we are. I want to wish you guys luck and trade this market well. We still in a bull market. We got a double top here, lower low, lower high. Sorry. We're still in a little tight state. Volume is going. And Bitcoin coming back up. Let's see what Bitcoin Cash is. I wanted to get some Bitcoin Cash. BCH. USDT is down 17%. No, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna get in some Bitcoin Cash now. Let's go here. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. Let's get in on this. Oh, I was at a daily chart. I'm sorry. Let's go to the 30-minute. These are my favorite time frames. Okay, I will put a stop at 80. Okay, let's get in. This is perfect. So I'm getting in at 89.8, 89.8, 89.7. Let's go 89.7, and we're gonna go into 25%. That is a dot. No, we gotta get heavier than that. Let's go 100%. And I'm doing $5. Let's go. All right, now I got in. You see, all right. So I'm in some Bitcoin Cash here. Let that play. Let's put a stop loss at the bottom right here. 850, 800, 859. Let's go 859. Let's reverse that. And the stop loss should be right here. Let's reset this real quick. Yep, right there. You see, let me move this to the other side. Perfect. Let's see where we at. Okay, so this is my stop loss right here. See? I'm getting in a room to dance, okay guys? Don't be afraid. It was just $5. I'm down on everything right now, but listen, we gotta let this play out, see what happens today in the markets. And thank you for being with me on this emergency broadcast. Remember, there's a lot of things happening around the world. Please, get a hold of me. Let's get this mining going in the U.S. because we got to take some of this power from China. China cannot just press the button and crash the market. That's not viable for Bitcoin. In the long run. And this is my rant for today, guys. Thank you for being with me, and thank you for joining Fi Investment Fund. And I'll see you in the next stream. Bye.